guy, Charles Cole?
Absolutely.
All right, there you go.
In fact, we need a bunch of him.
Are you going to vote for Charles Cole in November?
Yes, I voted for him already. That's nice.
I'll vote, absolutely.
Are you going to vote for Charles Cole?
I'd love to, absolutely.
No, you're registered to vote here, aren't you?
Oh, of course, maybe, I don't know.
How old are you, son?
Me? Gee whiz, I think I'm 22.
Are you Armenian?
I am Armenian, how'd you
I know
know?
Cole for Assembly. I know Thomas, yeah.
You know Thomas and you know Charlie, though.
I know his son very well, and nice to meet
You're
you.
Kevin. Kevin,
I've-
are you going to vote for Charles Cole?
Absolutely. I'm against tyranny in government.
Good morning, everyone. We're gonna pray. If you please just bow your heads.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is TimTremblay, and the most important message I think I can give to all of you today, and not just here, but to carry on throughout our community, is we need new leadership.
To speak and to worship. They shall not be abridged. Thank you.